What if a civilization far more advanced than us once thrived on Earth only to vanish, leaving behind fragments we call myths? I asked this exact question on Reddit and the response blew up. Over 1,000 people saw it and dozens debated fiercely. Some argued about pyramids, others about the lost technologies, and a few even suggested beings beyond human once walked on earth. Today, we are not diving into any random conspiracy theories. We will look at what Redditors proposed, compare it with real archaeology, and ask, are we truly the first advanced species on this planet? One Redditor pointed to a strange evidence, machine-like precision cut on ancient stones and water erosion on Great Sphinx that suggests it may be 12,000 years old. That's twice as old as mainstream history allows. If that's true, then who built it? Could they be the remnants of people with knowledge long erased from our memory? One Redditor went deeper than anyone else. Their comment was almost like a hidden chapter of history itself. They described how civilization could rise and fall without leaving much behind. They asked us to imagine our own world, our skyscrapers, cars, even aeroplanes being wiped out in a cataclysm. A few thousand years later, all that left would be scattered steel, dust, and myths. Wouldn't future humans dismiss our existence as impossible too? Earth has always been ruthless. Floods, volcanic eruptions, ice ages. Entire civilization could have risen, only to be obliterated overnight. Their libraries gone, their cities buried, their wisdom reduced to legend. From the Mahabharata, Plato's Atlantis, or Norse Ragnarok to global flood myths, stories across cultures may echo the memory of worlds destroyed. But what if these civilizations didn't rely on steel or silicon like us? What if they harnessed natural forces we barely understand, like magnetism, resonance, maybe even aspects of physics we have only begun to glimpse? If so, their tools may have left no trace we would recognize. It raises a chilling thought. Maybe knowledge is all around us, invisible, waiting to be unlocked again. As we know, more than 70% of Earth is underwater, and vast cave networks remain untouched. We know space much more than we know our ocean. Entire chapters of human history could have been lying beneath the waves or deep in the earth, hidden until we learn where to look. So, was humanity's stories written, erased, and rewritten? Are myths the fading memory of civilization more advanced than we dare to believe? And the real question is, if they existed, what did they leave behind for us? Let me know your thoughts below. Could history be hiding an entire chapters we have forgotten?